Withdrawing money from your Amazon Prime account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Sign into your Amazon account. Go to the Amazon website or open the app and sign in using your registered email and password. Make sure you are using the account linked to your Prime membership. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, hover over or click on Accounts and List at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select your account to access your account settings. Step 3. Access your payment options. In Account Settings, find and click on your Payments or Payment Options. This section allows you to manage your payment methods and linked bank accounts. Step 4. Link your bank account. If you haven't already linked your bank account, click on Add a Bank Account and enter your bank details. Ensure the information is accurate to avoid any issues with the withdrawal. Step 5. Request a withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you've completed these steps, your funds should be transferred to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank statement to confirm the transaction is successful.